In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive files. Let's start on Google Drive Home. If you're already in another Google page, open the Google Apps grid and choose Drive to land on the home view. From here, head into My Drive. You might see My Drive in the left sidebar or near the top. Click it to reveal your folders and files. If you see My Drive more than once, that's okay. Selecting it again simply refreshes your main view so you're working in the right place. Next, open the folder you want to share. Double check you're inside the exact folder that needs sharing. Now, open the More Actions menu by clicking the three dots. This menu is available whether you've selected a file or the folder itself. Choose Share to open the sharing window. In the sharing window, look for the General Access section. If the item is currently restricted, you can switch it to anyone with the link. This is helpful when you need to share broadly without adding each person individually. Keep in mind that link access can be powerful, so use it only when appropriate. This window also shows a shareable link you can copy if you're using the link option. If you prefer to invite specific people, use the field that lets you add email addresses. Type the addresses of the people you want to include. You'll see a permissions drop-down next to each person's name. Open that menu and choose the level of access you want. Viewer is read-only, Commenter allows feedback without changing the file, and Editor can make changes and even delete items, so choose Editor only for trusted collaborators. When you're satisfied with the selection, click Share to send the invitation. If your organization requires notifications, they'll be sent automatically. If not, your changes still take effect. Before you close the window, review that the access reflects what you intended. Confirm that general access is set correctly, either restricted or anyone with the link, and that each invited person has the appropriate role. It's a good practice to reopen the share window once to double-check the final settings. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you need to tighten access later, return to the share window and switch back to restricted or change individuals' roles. If you're sharing a folder, remember the permissions apply to everything inside unless you override them on a specific file. That's it. Navigating to My Drive, opening your folder, using the three dots to share, choosing link access.